Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How to fix Windows update error. This code is the error problem. Then step by step follow to solve this problem. Okay. Then first step for troubleshoot the Windows update. Click to the search bar. Search the troubleshoot settings. Click to the other troubleshooters. Click to see the Windows update. You click to the run to anyone Windows update is used to is automatically detected. So you will check to fix it. Okay. Then second step for CMD. Then get open so you will see to this command. I will provide this video description. Then we will copy to click to the search bar, search to the CMD, then right click to run as admin. Click to your control plus V to paste to enter. The operation is successful. Okay, we will click to close. Then third step for run the Windows update in services. Okay, click to open the search bar, search the services, scroll down to see the Windows update, then right click to properties. See the startup type for automatic services such as for already is running. You will change this to is changed to equal to apply click to OK. Finally, you will go to click to the search bar, search the Windows update settings. You will click to the recent updates to get update the Windows. Okay. Then anyone doubt to print the comment and thank you for watching.